left this one. Got my boy over here. It pulled up in his car today. You got like a business card or something, bro?
Find me on Google.
Google?
Yeah, it's called Mobile
What is it called? Mobile Tech. I just realized, literally, I don't, like I said, I don't drive it. When I reverse,
Rubs.
it's hitting.
Yeah, because your tires are wide, they're offset.
Yeah.
What part does it hit? Like, a better way to do would be to trim it just a bit.
Yeah.
Because that's usually what they do with like lifted trucks.
Trim it.
Yeah, they trim the inside.
Yeah.
You good right there. Probably didn't rub there, right?
Yeah, I don't rub there.
So
it's just right
all
there.
the way there. Check your AC real quick.
Yep.
Selling it for good?
Yeah.
Dang, man.
It's time to get something new. I recently put refrigerant in it at that.
Yeah, it's charged. It's charged.
Yeah, I just put refrigerant in it.
Let me check the other side.
It's right here.
How much did you put? Just a can?
I put it, just a can. I put it on green.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It didn't take much.
Sure, low side 40, high side like 50.
What's it supposed to be at?
This side is normal, right? But this one you should be at least 150, 175. On a day like this, it's not too hot today.
Yeah.
You should be at least 175. So the compressor is not pumping, man.
That sounds like money. Ain't trying to spend. I don't think I've made an intro, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Right now, pretty much just getting the AC fixed, hopefully. My boy pulled up in the OG Lexus. I told him he needed to slam it. He had this thing for mad long. Then he gonna get a paint job. This is work car though. I think he still has like the Acura TL Type S. Got the chrome wheels. Shit sit nice, man. The one 252. No more codes on the truck. Alright, y'all. I don't know if it's a new video or a new day, but this is the box right here.
Okay, cool. You all came in that box?
Yeah. I ain't even opened it, honestly. Hold on.
Yeah, pretty much the filter for the AC.
Here, you had me like a little drawing, so I'm gonna try to go in that little drawing right there. Cause that little part rubs the tires. Went out and got me a Dremel, a blade system, whatever that means, and got a metal cutting Dremel. Some safety glasses, just in case. Everything looks so yellow.
Get the Harbor Freight?
$30. I'm almost there. Hold on.
You look like you got it, bro.
Yeah, this little piece is the only piece I got left now. It's really not even that bad. Peel it off. This shit was rubbing crazy. And there's that. So just because of that squeaky sound, huh? That's crazy.
Nah, yeah, you never want to hear a compressor sound like that, bro.
That's that sound I was hearing from the vents?
That's how you know, like, when they made that funny little sound, it was done.
That was, yeah. Damn. Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the same video again. I know it's been a while since I posted. I literally checked today and it's been 16 days. I'm like, oh my god, I don't even feel like it. I'm sorry, y'all, but as you can tell by the title of the video, we are about to go ahead and get some new exhaust tips put on the car right now. Before we do that, I do have to make some modifications to the new grill. As y'all did see on the previous video, we got the grill installed, and honestly, the camera fitting was not accurate. So I got some Dremel pieces. I'm gonna Dremel the camera part out, and we're just gonna get that thing put on today, nice and right, because I'm tired of driving around and my front camera's not working. I don't know. If you're like, you got a front camera, why not? You want it to work, right? So then we're gonna go ahead and put the exhaust tips on the car. If y'all still watching the video, I know that early on it was all about that truck right there. So we finally got the AC blowing cold. It did take a lot more than just him replacing the compressor. We also replaced radiator as well, the alternator. I can't remember. One of them has to do with the AC in the truck. That was replaced, and a couple of hoses. So now the AC on the truck is running flawlessly. Y'all really like the POV video, so man, appreciate y'all. I'm glad y'all like that, because I got some more videos on the way for y'all. As you can see, we got everything right here, and gonna go ahead and get the grill off so we can Dremel it. I got these little Dremel pieces off Amazon. It's gonna fit into the drill. Y'all, don't mind my B58. It's pretty dirty. You gotta get this thing cleaned up the proper way. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this grill off, and if y'all didn't see the last video, all we doing is just popping these 6 things off. Alright, as y'all can see, I got the grill off, and here is the front camera that needs to be put into this hole. Now, don't be a crazy, stupid person like me. As y'all can see, here is the camera hole. It's blocked for the cars that don't have a camera. Hold on, can y'all see? Let me turn this up a little bit for y'all. Okay, so here is the camera, right? Here is the placement. I just found out after taking it off again that I do not have to actually Dremel. I just have to actually pull these places off where the camera was supposed to go, right? Which I've already done, and pull back. Dude, this is supposed to be a replication of the camera for the people that don't have a camera. Now I can just put the grill back on, dude, with the freaking camera. So yeah, that's how you do that. And I was pretty pissed because I was like, this is an OEM part. How in the hell? Whatever. Got it. We're done. We're good. We can get straight to exhaust. Alright, so as y'all just seen, I never needed to Dremel anything, so I got a Dremel for no reason. And the camera's coming out perfectly now. Everything's clipped on. The black accessories. We gotta get some black mirror caps next. I don't think I want to paint match these. Yeah, BMW LED lights. I fucking love this truck. It definitely needs a wash though. I don't know if I can tell on camera. It's not bad, but it needs like a detail. So I don't need these, so let's get straight to the exhaust. Cause like I can't believe I went out my way to get these. They're like, bro, I've been riding around. If y'all don't know, I ain't posted a video since the last coffee video I did. I've been riding around like this for 2 weeks, and I could have been had it done. Procrastination, don't do it. We're doing the exhaust tips. The chrome, this is the one of the last chrome pieces on the car that just has to go. So we're replacing that today. It's officially done, and we're replacing it with some really clean tips. Y'all gonna like these, promise you. And the reason I say I want to paint match these, it kind of like standoffish, I don't know, but if y'all can tell right here, these are blacked out, and these are blacked out. Right, it's really close to the paint though. I want to do that to the front. And another small piece I want to do, look at the little camera here. Another thing I want to do is replace these BMW emblems. If y'all don't know, they have the one that doesn't have this trim lining around it, and it's kind of all blacked out. If y'all can't tell by now, your boy don't like chrome. Alright, so here are the tips. Boy, do not have I don't have my tripod right now, so I'm kind of gonna just set y'all up right here. These are nice. They feel really good. Y'all can hear that? They're like this metal. Let's try to test fit them and see how they look. It should go over it, just like this. Yeah, literally. Wow, that looks way better. Way better. So what I'm gonna have to do is, oh yeah, that's clean, guys. Way better, right? And if y'all can tell, it kind of has this little split right here at like exhaust, like 2 exhausts. I like that way better than a big open dump and then boom. Yeah, this should be easy. So go ahead and get this on, and I'm gonna let y'all know what it look like in a second. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I did the first side off camera just to make sure I get everything right, nice and tight. What do y'all think? Black double exit versus chrome single exit. This looks sick to me, I'm not gonna lie. That's hard. Here's the other one up close. Here's the new one up close. And the last chrome piece on here is this little chrome bar right here. I'm gonna do a chrome delete on that, and I might do like a minor tint on the windows. I'm not really sure yet. Or on the rear view, the rear tail lights, right? So let me know what y'all think, man. I'm gonna take y'all through the steps of what I did to go ahead and get this on. First thing I did pretty much is I don't have any type of like other cleaners in my car right now besides like some wet wipes. So if that is crazy, it's gonna work. So you want to just clean the surface pretty much so you get the best outcome. So I'm pretty much just gonna clean all around it with a wet wipe. I mean, it's an exhaust, so I don't think you need no special cleaners for your chrome exhaust that you're gonna cover. I can see out in the comments already. So go ahead and take that off. Your microfiber towel. Just kind of go over it again. Make sure you get all the grease and all the other extra wet wipe bullshit up. Because the other ones on there are pretty good. I think we did a good job. You're gonna want to 3M everything. So what I did, like if you're gonna do this, right, all you need to do is 3M the top all around this little outer part, and you want to do this top part as well, because that's gonna touch the inside of it. Just want to make sure it's nice and sticky. You don't want them to fall off when you're looking crazy. Damn, that looks so good. All right, let's go ahead and get this right. I got everything on there. Go ahead and take all the 3M off of here. Like I said, all around. And then next we're gonna do just that top part. Tune into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching, sticking around. And our last video hit 2K, man. I appreciate y'all for that. I appreciate y'all for the views, the comments. You know, I interact with every comment, whether it's negative or not. The negative comments don't bother me at all. It's actually pretty funny to me. So yeah, man, we are on the road to 2K subscribers, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you like the video. So this goes this way, and stick it on there, nice and good. Oh, did I not show y'all that? Hold on. Anyways, so just push it on there really good, right? Keep applying pressure, so just pulling on it a little bit, no movement. And just keep pressing on it. Press on it a little more for camera, but kind of give you an idea of what she looks like. Blacked out, way better, way cleaner. Car is coming together real good, man. I'm super proud of it. Kind of getting all the little small stuff out the way. I already told y'all the little miniature things I want to do. Outside it was already done, but the truck looks so much better and cleaner. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. I've been getting a lot of love with the X7. Like I said before, when I bought the truck, I don't see no content on it. I find it to be BMW's best truck. Argue with your mama. Damn, this thing looks good. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned in with your boy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The car said don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well. Appreciate you guys. On the road to, where we at? Let me talk to y'all for a second. We're on the road to what? 2,000 subscribers. We've been back on YouTube for now a month, and I kind of took like a 2-week break, I guess. I don't know why. I didn't realize so much time went by, but I appreciate y'all for liking the coffee video. Like I told y'all in that video, I gotta try the matcha, so I'm gonna look for me a matcha spot somewhere near. We're gonna do another POV real soon with that. Get the shots rolling in more. Alright, y'all, so the camera died on me out there. As I was saying before, I want to do another POV with the matcha. I want to go to like a local place. I want to find a really good place, probably go on TikTok or something like that, and find a good place of a matcha drink, and we're going to try it together. We're going to go ahead and go get it, do a nice little POV drive there in the truck. And yeah, man, I'm really excited that the trucks look so good now. It already looked good, but like I instantly wanted to take over those chrome pieces when I brought the truck. Luckily, it already had black trim, you know, black mirrors, things of that nature. But the grill and the tailpipes was like chrome. I didn't like that. But that's finally out the way. Finally figured out the camera situation. If y'all had that situation with, you know, getting a grill and thing like that, or you think about getting a grill and you do have a camera, just slow down a little bit and make sure that it doesn't have that pop out piece before you return it, or before you try to trim it or anything like that. Now the camera works perfectly. We're back in the car, back cool. Got the AC blowing now because obviously the camera was hot, so hopefully y'all can hear me clearly. But man, I just want to take this time out to thank all y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for liking, commenting, being active on the channel. Negative comments, positive comments, I appreciate it all. On the road to 2,000. See y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.